Removing an oil filter can be tough, especially when it's stuck tight or in a hard-to-reach spot. That's where an oil filter wrench strap comes in, a simple yet powerful tool that grips firmly without damaging the filter. Today, we're diving into the best oil filter wrench straps available in this year. Whether you're a pro mechanic or a weekend DIYer, these 5 tools will help you remove oil filters quickly, safely, and without hassle. Let's explore their features, usability, and durability to find the perfect strap wrench for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, OEMTOOLS 25424. The OEMTOOLS 25424 oil filter wrench strap is designed with versatility and reliability in mind, making it an essential tool for any mechanic or car enthusiast. Its wide compatibility and strong grip make it a standout choice in the world of strap wrenches. Key features. This wrench features a durable rubber strap that expands to fit oil filters of various sizes, ranging from 2 to 4.5 inches in diameter. It boasts a strong, ergonomically designed handle made of impact-resistant plastic that offers excellent leverage. The strap is textured to prevent slipping even on oily or greasy filters. Benefits and usage. OEMTOOLS 25424 allows you to remove stubborn oil filters with minimal effort, thanks to its flexible strap that molds tightly around the filter surface. It's especially effective in tight engine compartments where other tools may struggle. The strap wrench prevents scratches or dents on filters, preserving their integrity during removal. Usability. This tool is extremely user-friendly, featuring a comfortable handle that fits well in the hand and offers a secure grip. Its strap easily adjusts to different sizes and tightens quickly, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. The lightweight design means it won't tire your hand even during multiple oil changes. Durability. Built with a high-quality rubber strap and a robust plastic handle, the OEMTOOLS 25424 offers lasting durability. The materials resist wear from oil, grease, and repeated use, ensuring the strap maintains tension without cracking or breaking. Its sturdy construction makes it dependable for frequent garage or shop use. Coming in at number 3 is the Performance Tool W54085. The Performance Tool W54085 is a single strap wrench designed to provide superior grip and leverage for oil filter removal. Renowned for its balanced design and reliability, it's a favorite for both professional shops and home garages. Key features. This wrench includes a 22-inch heavy-duty rubber strap capable of fitting filters from 2.5 to 4.5 inches in diameter. The handle is constructed from durable plastic with a textured grip to maximize control. The strap's wide band distributes pressure evenly to prevent damage to filters. Benefits and usage. The Performance Tool W54085 excels at loosening stubborn oil filters by providing ample torque through its long handle and strong strap. Its ability to adjust to various sizes makes it versatile for different vehicles. It's particularly helpful in tight spaces where traditional wrenches may not fit comfortably. Usability. This wrench is designed for ease of use, with a comfortable handle that fits well in most hands and offers non-slip control. The long strap easily wraps around the filter and tightens securely, simplifying removal without excessive force. Its lightweight profile reduces fatigue during extended use. Durability. Built to withstand workshop demands, the W54085 features a robust rubber strap that resists cracking and deterioration from oils and heat. The plastic handle is impact-resistant and designed to last through multiple oil changes, maintaining grip and structural integrity. Taking our 4th spot is RIDGID 31360. The RIDGID 31360 strap wrench is a professional-grade tool trusted by mechanics for its solid construction and reliable performance. Its design focuses on strong grip and ease of use, making oil filter removal straightforward. Key features. This wrench features a heavy-duty, reinforced rubber strap with a length suitable for filters ranging from 2 to 6 inches in diameter. The handle is ergonomically designed from impact-resistant plastic with a textured surface to ensure a firm grip, even when oily. Benefits and usage. RIDGID strap wrench provides exceptional grip on filters of all sizes, preventing slippage during removal. Its adjustable strap is flexible enough to fit large filters commonly found on trucks and SUVs. The wrench protects filter surfaces from damage, reducing the risk of leaks or costly replacements. Usability. The RIDGID 31360 offers excellent maneuverability in cramped engine bays thanks to its compact, lightweight handle and flexible strap. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to apply consistent torque without straining the hand or wrist. The wrench quickly tightens and releases for efficient workflow. Durability. Made from premium materials, this wrench withstands high temperatures, oil exposure, and frequent use without losing performance. The reinforced strap resists cracking and stretching, while the durable handle endures heavy use in professional garages or home shops. And finally, in number 5, we have Craftsman CMMT14114. The Craftsman CMMT14114 strap wrench is a reliable, budget-friendly option favored for its ease of use and solid performance. It's designed to make oil filter removal less of a chore while offering versatility across various filter sizes. Key features. This wrench sports a high-strength rubber strap adjustable to fit oil filters between 2.25 and 4.5 inches in diameter. It includes a sturdy plastic handle with a textured grip for maximum comfort and torque. The strap's surface provides a strong bite without damaging filter finishes. Benefits and usage. The Craftsman strap wrench delivers steady, secure grip power for loosening tight oil filters. Its adjustable strap and ergonomic handle allow mechanics and DIY users to work quickly and safely. It's especially useful for those who want a straightforward tool without unnecessary complexity. Usability. The lightweight and compact design enhances usability in cramped spaces. The strap tightens with minimal effort, while the handle's grip reduces hand fatigue during repeated use. The wrench is intuitive to operate, making it a great tool for users of all experience levels. Durability. Craftsman CMMT14114 is built from durable materials that resist wear from oils, heat, and general shop conditions. The rubber strap maintains elasticity over time, and the handle resists cracking and provides reliable torque application over many oil changes. When it comes to removing oil filters quickly and safely, a reliable oil filter wrench strap is indispensable. Whether you choose the versatile OEMTOOLS 25424, the multi-size GEARDRIVE set, or the heavy-duty RIDGID 31360, each of these top 5 options offers excellent grip, usability, and durability. Investing in a right strap wrench saves you time, effort, and frustration every time you change your oil. Pick the one that fits your needs and make oil changes simpler and smoother.